Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to the stream. The good people of the internet, how's it going? How are you all feeling tonight, this evening, or this afternoon, based on your time zone? How you all doing? What's going on? Personally, I feel a bit not warm, so that's why I switched to a hoodie today. Just rocking some hoodie today. No Gitcliff t-shirt. I'm sorry, but it's fine. How y'all doing? Welcome, guys. Transhistoric came on. My homies, what's up? Help me get a job, please. Just graduated, brother, and tech market is hell. I know what you mean. I mean, I would help you in the way that I can. Like, what can I do? Like, do you want me to repost your LinkedIn post or something, or how can I help you, bro? Could use chop buckle up. Yeah, I should probably change that message. Turkey getting cold. What the fuck is this global warning, bro? Ankara weather, it's just sometimes like that, dude. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's not. Today is kind of cold. Actually, yesterday was cold too, but I wanted to keep rocking that Gitcliff t-shirt, so I kind of sacrificed my health for it. You know, sometimes you gotta make sacrifices just for the promo, just for the business opportunities, you know. If one person sees that t-shirt, that's enough for me. So I was rocking that either way, but today, no more. Today we're rocking this hoodie, but actually I'm gonna put this over here so that we will be still rocking this shit, dude. Hell yeah. So smart. Is Ankara the most famous airport there? I'll land there if I come to Turkey. You probably land in Istanbul, because Istanbul has the biggest airport in Turkey and most of the international flights go there. But if you get a chance to find a flight to Ankara, there's one airport, ESB. You can probably go there. It's quite cool. It's a small airport. But yeah, if you come around, just let me know, dude. Let's hang out. I'm gonna put this over here, so shiny. All right, we got it. It looks so fucking fake. Ankara Solitude right there. Exactly. This guy knows my albums, bro. This guy knows my shit. Thanks for being the #1 fan. You ain't getting no perks from me, but just tell me whatever you want. I'm gonna do my best to deliver, dude. You want some like t-shirt or some shit? I got you. Give me your address first. Man, Ankara is 450 kilometers. Yeah, exactly. It's just kind of far. That's why I always like go to Istanbul first to take a international flight. So it's always like two flights for me. If I want to go to Europe, like, you know, if I want to go to Germany, I go to Istanbul first and then go to whatever. Getting me to dock so early, yeah. Give me your address, just type it in, bro. No worries. Does this look good or looks so fake, dude? It doesn't even like fade, like, what is it called? It's not really blend with the color, so it looks kind of weird. If I put it over there, maybe it will be better, but all right, it's gonna be like a stealth Ratatouille icon right there. All right, kind of better right here, I guess. Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna, sorry, no promo in the stream. No promo. Not gonna promote something, or maybe I can just put it here. Maybe you can just, that looks like shit. Yeah, good enough promo right there. Okay, we got the Ratatouille promo right there. It's there's logo. Who cares? I'm single, you're single, we appreciate each other. Are you talking about, what are you talking about? You, man, yeah, I'm single. How did you know that? How did you know that? I mean, do I look that desperate? Like, what's going on, dude? How do you know that I'm single? Is it because I'm a arch maintainer or something? How do people know this shit, bro? Thanks for the compliment. I mean, people, like, when I meet somebody, when I tell them that I maintain for arch, they are like, "You're probably single, right?" I don't know how they guess it. Like, I don't know. Anyways, so I got my water. I got my Ratatouille sticker right in there on the wall. It's definitely seeable. Like, you can probably see it. You said on stream one that you're a virgin. Check clip of iconic moments. I was kidding, bro. Maybe not, but feel free to clip whatever. It's fine. Classic wifeless arch behavior. What do you mean, dude? What do you mean, dude? That's... You know what? I'm gonna break the stereotype one day. In my dreams. It's fine. Guys, why you guys ripping on me, dude? This stream is a... This stream should be about me being the king and you're watching me doing some shit, but now you're just ripping on me. What the hell? Alright, so what are we gonna do today? The stream is titled what exactly? Hold on, let me check. Some animation stuff. Okay, I'm gonna check out some animation stuff, but before that I'm gonna trick you into watching me doing some maintenance. Sorry, it's, you know, whatever. It is what it is, bro. It is the life of a maintainer, you know. You just gotta watch me do... Oh, sorry, it's just too bright. Sorry, I'm just changing it. Alright. So today, you don't have crabs in the background, but a gopher. That's not a gopher, that's a rofer. So it's about Rust, okay? I got it from a Rust conference. Sorry for the flashbang. So I got this PR snapshot recipe. It's pretty cool, actually. You can now use, like, I mean you were able to use it, but I kind of like documented a bit. So you can like have files which contain your terminal buffer, and then you can use these for asserting in the unit tests, which is just super cool, I think. So that's just a recipe about that, and there was some comments. I'm gonna just address them real quick, and we're gonna move on from that, hopefully. Ratatouille website. So, you know, writing Rust code is not enough, so we're just contributing to the documentation now, which is also nice. Oops, what did I... Oh, I just doxed myself. I was looking at some Amazon shit, alright? Don't pause that and get the link. Wait, I was just looking at some car stuff. Yeah, that's Insta. That's not Instagram, though. I always, for some reason, think of Instagram when somebody says Insta. It's just some Gen Z side effect, dude. Alright, so I'm gonna run this shit. I probably shouldn't. I want to make this stream family friendly, alright? I'm not gonna swear in this stream. No more swear words. We're just gonna make it family friendly. Christian channel. Not Christian, but you know what I'm saying, like Muslim channel. Haram, no more haram shit, dude. Okay, I'll just shut up and gonna show you what I did. So I added this documentation over there. Testing with Insta snapshot. Christian halal stream. Exactly, dude. Did you, by the way, before I went into this, did you guys see how many likes I got from the meme that I made in like last night in the stream? Did you guys see this shit? Like, I got fucking whopping 900 likes almost, and like 40k views on this shit, which I just, you know, I made this thing in the stream last night. That's crazy, bro. How is this? What the hell? I know the algorithm. I know the algorithm, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Some of you didn't believe me. Like some of you were like, well, I like this post anyway. You know who said that? You know who said that? You see here, by the way, the Bone guy is not here. Shout out to him. But we got like 900 views, 900 likes on this shit, man. You know, we get some funny comments in there as well. We fucking rocking this shit, bro. We're up now. You know, I know my thing, bro. It's like it's increasing as you can see. Like, I mean, it was 900. It's 904. Just increasing, bro. That's how we roll, man. That's how we roll. You should do more shit posts. Yeah, when I have the chance, of course. How much is that in USD? Probably something like 0. So yeah, I mean, look at the replies, bro. We're killing this shit, bro. Like, it's increasing, man. It's increasing. Like, it was just 904, 904. It's 905 now. What the hell? I get like a lot of notifications on this shit. I mean, it's not even related to the post, but people comment on it. We just, we know the algorithm, man. We know this shit. So it's just increasing, as you can see. I'm just Rust shitpost will continue until like country increases. Yeah. So Transistor, thank you for the inspiration, man. If you have any other memes or any other funny shit, just let me know, and we're gonna conquer the meme ecosystem in Rust. We're gonna make this shit, man. There's a lot of unnecessary fluff here. Okay. But that's because I just used ChatGPT to generate this. To be honest with you, that's why there are like a lot of text. That looks cool though. I kind of like. Actually, I'm just gonna commit the suggestion here. I'd love to get in the top of our Rust jerk, but sadly I deleted my Reddit account. Why did you delete it? I had Lobster somehow because of their weird onboarding fuck-ups. HN is good. I don't know, man. I use Lobster to post some blog posts, but yeah. I mean, Hacker News is kind of weird because sometimes you get on top, sometimes it's like you get no interaction. I don't know, it's about timing or something. Are you guys on Lobster or like... I mean, personally, I don't really follow both of them daily. I just check them from time to time, but are you guys like reading Lobster or Hacker News? Like, what's the preference? Just get out of date is cargo information. Okay, yeah. Okay, good suggestion. Does app need to implement widget or is this implied for examples? Okay, let me pull this. After all the Reddit, okay, API drama, I was just a bird to finally detox. Yeah, but Reddit's cool shit's hidden in there for Linux users. We met Josh in person. Do you mean Josh from Ratatouille? That'll be nice. Okay, I kind of missed that thing over there. Okay, now it's good. Let's see. Add missing code blocks. Oh shit, it's just running some hooks. Ask your network provider, the stream went away in black white. What? Really? What do you mean? Is the quality okay now, or what do you mean by that? My network. Oh wait, I know why. Okay, I know why. That's because I'm running both Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Just disabled Wi-Fi, so it should be good now. Okay, just gonna do something like this. Okay, maybe I can do some like area. Just trying to make this thing correct. You know, the problem with ChatGPT is that sometimes it just gives you some nonsense. I think it's one of those cases. Right, so there was one code somewhere in here. Yep. I'm gonna just sometime. Yeah, most of the time, to be honest. But it's good for automating shit. I'm not sure if you guys like use ChatGPT, or there was one other thing. What was it? Cursor? No. What was the new like better ChatGPT thing? I don't know, man. Gemini, maybe. Gemini is from Google, I guess, or Meta or something. I don't know. Yeah, there are a lot of AI shit nowadays. Hello, yeah, maybe. Which one do you guys use, or do you guys use AI at all? I have no opinions, by the way. Like, I'm not gonna say if you're not using AI, you're missing out or something. What should I do actually? I'm gonna check the examples list. Or maybe you can do something like something like this will be, I think, clear. I hope it eventually becomes actually useful. I hope so too, man. I mean, funny thing is, I worked for I'm not sure if they're watching, but I worked for like an AI startup for a short time, like very recently. Like, I'm not saying I worked full time or anything, it was just a short time thing they were building something, and I was writing Rust. Don't worry, it was a funny story. Copilot mostly for bash scripts, but nothing much. LSP is good enough. Do you guys use, like, what do you mean like LSP? Like, do you mean for bash stuff as well, or? I mean, I use Rust Analyzer, but it's not really, I don't see the relation between that for some reason. Rust Analyzer and Go, please. Okay, got it. Okay, I'm gonna actually do something like derive default. Bash always is written Node, written shell LSP in Rust is on my project ideas list. Whoa, I didn't know it was Node. Maybe there is one. Did you look for it? Maybe someone already made it. I don't know. Rust is fucking slow if you close your editor and start it again, and I'm mapping my brain to use more. Yeah, exactly, dude. I know what you mean. Like, I sometimes, you know, check out some code from other projects, and when I open up just one file, one Rust file, it launches Rust Analyzer, and then my computer starts dying because it's just try to compile everything, and it's super slow, and like it's a pain. It's a pain. Okay, I mean, like, I'm just gonna commit this thing. True story. That's why I sometimes want another editor, or maybe I should just like somehow disable Rust Analyzer when I open, or maybe I can have like a key binding or something. But I mean, you know, it's just kind of a pain. My nvim3 plugin dies long before any other thing when reading what packages repo. Thousands of directories. Wait, is void is void like, is void Linux putting everything in just one repo? Is that how you're maintaining it? I don't know anything about it, by the way, that's why I'm asking. Okay, that's kinda... That sounds like a huge repo. That almost sounds like Nix, to be honest. One of the reasons why I didn't like Nix that much is that, you know, you have everything in one place. Like, I don't really like that, dude. Because when I want to like update one package, I need to clone the whole thing. Like, how that shit is just huge. Like, that repo is, I don't know if I have it cloned somewhere. I think I deleted it at some point. Nix pack. No, I have it. It's 3.8 gigabytes, and it's just, I think it's just, you know, not the whole thing. Somehow made it smaller, right? If I remember correctly. But so is aports. I mean, aports is just package, like just APK builds. Like, it's not It's not like the binary packages and sources. I'm not sure if that's the case with Void or Nix, but if I remember correctly, Nix is huge, because I guess you have binary stuff. No, I don't remember, dude. But if I remember correctly, it was just kind of huge. Do we want to note that you need to install the cargo bin for this? Notable. Wait, install? Okay. Yes, Nix also has only sources, but it has got a lot of commits, yeah. Just some ideas, mostly on blocking. All the examples now in explicit draw, okay. But we need to work out how color works here too, because that doesn't seem to be tested. Yeah. Hold on, I need to check this actually. Why is the color being removed when you compare the buffer? So I have a snapshot test in demo 2, main thermal backend. Still beats the nerd phones repo that weighs literal gigabytes unless you use partial filter clone. Which phone do you use? I'm using Ubuntu Mono ligaturated. But I'm thinking of switching to something else, maybe Code or something. Do you have any recommendations? Because that's just the font that I used everywhere for years, and then got stuck with me a bit. But I'm like, I want to change it at some point. Osevka. Okay. So open source. All right. Looks a bit. Okay, I might give this a try actually. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna give this a try in the stream after I'm done with this, maybe. It looks a bit, how can I describe it? Like a bit too thin and kind of condensed, if that makes sense. But I need to see it on my terminal. I've been a happy user of commit mono. What is commit mono? Commit mono neutral. What is this? I like the website. I mean, just for the website, it's I can try it out. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try these fonts out in the stream. But first, I need to figure out why there are like no colors on this. Okay, backend. Okay, what is this actually returning? I need to go to the backend trait probably. So I'm gonna check the display implementation somehow, or maybe I need to go to cross term and display. Is there a display implementation for this? Cross term backend. I'm kind of actually curious how this thing works, because I can just pass this to the search snapshot, and at some point, you know, it should have a display implementation to work, but I'm not sure if that's the case. Let's try to find out. Examples. Example demo 2. Of course, Features, cross term, palette, and widget calendar. Right, no display. Oh, okay, it's test backend. Sorry, so I gotta go to test. Test backend. Now this should have a display implementation exactly, and it's just going to buffer view, return a string representation of the given buffer in for debugging purposes. Right, at some point it's probably removing the style. Let's see. Or not removing the style, but content, okay. Oh, okay, so it's not really taking style into account, so that's why we don't have it. Alright, case closed. I'm gonna get the link to this thing. By the way, a fun plugin that I use is Git Linker. I don't know if you guys know it. When I go to a line and when I press G, Y, it just copies the link to that line as a permalink so that I can just comment on the issues like this. And then, well, it didn't really work, but you know, if you go to this link, you'll see the line that I just showed you. I use Helix, bro. Sorry. I mean, do we have something like this in Helix, by the way? Because I mean, that's something that I would need a lot if I switch. But yeah, that's no plugin system in Helix as of now. Yeah, just wait 5 years for plugins. Easy. I mean, 5 years. I would probably switch to Helix. Or even like 2 years maybe. Because I mean, after some point, using NeoVim is like comfort zone. You know, I want to like shock myself a bit, shock my fingers a bit with something new, maybe entirely new key map. Key bindings, whatever. It would be nice because I switched to NeoVim from VS Code. You can imagine how much I need to train for that, because you know, VS Code, you click everything, small like key bindings here and there. But NeoVim was different. But now I feel like I'm in the comfort zone, so I want to break that in the future. At least not Z. I mean, yeah, do we even have Z for Linux now? Probably, right? Is it available on Linux? Is it packaged? I'm just gonna make this a link. Alright, all the comments addressed. Yeah, I did that a year ago, still on Helix, planning to stay for at least nearest 10 years if everything goes good. Good for you, man. Also, we can extend Helix by our own because it's Rust. Yeah, it's good. We do, but packaging is still janky. My laptop almost catches fire when building it too. Oh man, do we have it on Arch? Z? Oh, there are a lot of stuff called Z. That's maybe a Z editor or something. Z editor. Yeah, we have it in extra. Who's using Z? Like, what the hell? I'm gonna just rip on them real quick. Alright, now all the comments here addressed. Okay. Why is it taking forever? Arch, come on. I'm gonna just flash bang you guys for a second, but okay, it loaded. Taking forever again. Arch Linux. It's probably about my cache or something, by the way. One sec. Alright, it's not loading. I'm just gonna flashbang you guys. What's going on with my internet? Like, what the hell? It's not even loading. Is the stream running? Like, am I still connected to the internet? Right, I can see Google, my good old friend, but I cannot really load anything from Arch. What the hell is going on, dude? Yeah, I mean, I can't even go to Z package on Arch. Okay, I'm gonna install this shit. Z editor. Call your provider. Okay, Z editor. I'm gonna install it. I don't care. I don't want to see who maintains this thing. It's 130 megabytes. All right, I'm gonna take it. All right, who's maintaining Caleb? Exactly, like he's just maintaining freaking thousands of packages at this point. So I should have known. The Valve collab thing, maybe. Probably not. Why is it so slow? Why is it not work? Okay, it's downloading. Oh guys, close your eyes for a second. I'm gonna run something illegal. Close your eyes. I'm gonna do partial upgrade. Close your eyes. SY. You don't do this at home, kids. It's bad, okay? Don't do partial upgrades. But I'm gonna do it. Just for the sake of this editor, man. I'm just switching editors in the stream, alright? It's for scientific purposes. I just want to try this out, so it's fine. It's really slow though. Anyways, I want to actually try out these fonts, so it should be also available in repos. I was like, oh wow, what the? Okay, which one do I install? They're like, okay, there's a nerd font. Lozevka, no, Iozevka. I thought it was L, it's I, sorry. It looks like L. That's not my fault, alright. Love the smell of system in a broken state in the morning. Oh man. But okay, let me actually try out the editor first. So Zeditor. Whoa. I like the binary name. Oh shit, this is bad. This is bad. Okay, this is right off the bat. What the hell? It's flashbanged. How do I make this thing not kill my eyes? How do I do that, guys? Help. It's so bad. Oh my god, look at the fonts. Oh alright, this is really bad, by the way. Oh, choose team. I'm freaking blind. I'm gonna go with light hard, bruh. No, I'm just gonna go with dark or dark hard. Exactly. All right, so how do I use this shit? I don't want to sign into freaking editor. Like what? Okay, themes, extensions. Do we have git linker? L, bro. L in the chat for this editor. L's in the chat. No git linker plugin. Weak, bro. Okay, what's this? Assistant? No ChatGPT much. Oh, it has it's an integrated editor. That's cool. Sorry, integrated terminal. What am I saying? It actually works kind of fine. I don't know why HTOP is looking a bit weird, but all right, that's all right. All right, you know what? I might actually give this a try for some coding purposes just in a second. But I want to try out this iOSevka thing. So I want to install iOSevka Nerd. But yeah, I'm gonna go with this one probably because I want to have the nerd stuff. I'm a nerd, so you know how it is. So let's try it out. Okay, conflicting. Nerd fonts complete. Okay, it already has that. Okay, I'm just gonna go with this one. Typeface family design for coding terminal use in technical documents. But at least you have integrated pair programming. Is that a thing as default in Z? If so, that's fine. That's cool. Which one do I install actually? I'm gonna just go with the first one. Okay, TTC iOSevka. Why is it so big? First of all, why is it like 300? Like even the Z was freaking 130 megabytes. This is huge. Also, does it support ligatures? That's another question. Oh, you can customize. Okay, what am I gonna do with this? Like, I'm not that. I mean, I'm nerd, but I'm not that much of a nerd. So, sorry, no offense. But I'm not much of a nerd yet for this font. They're writing fonts in Electron now. Probably. I mean, look at this. What am I installing? Am I installing the correct thing? Is this a full-fledged system or what? Like, am I installing a freaking disk image for Debian or what? Like, what the hell? I'm gonna give it a star though, because I like the... I don't know. I don't like it, but I mean, just for the sake of JavaScript, I'm just gonna give them a star. All right. What was the command? FC cache, and then force. Oh, and verbose. All right, let's refresh the fonts. Handy, welcome to the stream, man. How's it going? All right, now everything is probably refreshed. I'm gonna go to Electricity config. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but okay, Ubuntu Mono ligraturized. I had today the same problems with fonts, but in Go. What problems did you have? Oh shit. I kind of changed the font, but I didn't like it. I didn't like it already. Like, oh, dude, that looks weird. Maybe it's because I just installed it, but I mean, what the hell? That looks so tall. That looks so tall to me. Ubuntu Mono feels like the Comic Sans of monospace. Yeah. Wow. Maybe, is this the right font? Wait, I'm gonna change it. What happens if I just put something random in there? Okay, now it's not working. So it's working, but oh no. No, bro, I'm gonna... No, not my thing. I'm gonna... Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I like the name and the theme and everything, but no. And it's like too big. Alacrity is generally nice, but I had so many configuration issues with it. It took me 2 hours to get Alacrity Teamworks to use Anvem theme correctly. Yeah. I want to switch to Rio at some point, but I'm still waiting for the performance improvements. What do you use for your terminal today, like right now? Alacrity still, or did you switch to something else? I want to try out this one. Commit mono. Okay, OTF commit mono nerd. Patched phone commit mono nerd. Okay, commit mono. I probably... Okay, I don't have it. Thoughts on Alacrity maintainer. For the Ozuk, it's hard to adapt. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, commit mono. Let's try this one out. Still use Alacrity, switched over from Terminator. Makes sense. I just wish it had tabs. So Rio has tabs. If you wanna check that out, just, you know, Rio terminal, this one. It's cool. I contribute to it sometimes. It has tabs. It's like active in development, or you can just use Western. Yeah, I don't think Alacrity is now adding new features. Like Alacrity seems pretty dead to me, to be honest. It's super stable, and that's it. I mean, that's the only catch, I guess. Well, you can file an issue about it. Western has tabs too, yeah. Hey Irina, how's it going? Cascadia Co Nerd Font Monet. What is that, bro? That's just a long font name. It's like you're flexing at some point. You're like, you know, when you go to a party, everyone's like talking about something, and you're like, hey guys, did you know that I use Cascadia Co Nerd Font Mono? Of course not, because I'm cool like that, you know. And it's not just Cascadia Co or anything. It's just Cascadia Co Nerd Font Mono. You know, you're just flexing those words, like 5 fucking characters on top of each other, like crazy shit. So GPU acceleration, I'll have to check that out. Yeah, I mean, Rio is nice. Like I said, I want to switch to it, but it's now, you know, it's performance stuff. Also, I don't know, I can probably switch to it, but whatever. I don't have time. I'm just making up excuses. So commit mono. Let's try this one out. Okay, what's the name for this? Like, commit mono is apparently not the correct name. Commit mono nerd. Okay, you gotta put nerd in everything, right? Otherwise it's not nerd enough. You gotta put nerd in there so that everyone knows that it's nerdy. Okay, what's the font name? How do I search for fonts in Linux? Arch Linux font browser. It's the upgraded version of Cascadia Mono. I can definitely see that, trust me. Like, you know, it's not just Cascadia Mono, it's just nerd font mono shit going on in there. Like, Alacrity gives fastest experience. Yeah, it's super fast stable. They don't even know I use Cascadia nerd font mono ligation solarized. And also put another nerd at the end just to make sure everyone got it, you know? It's like Cascadia nerd font mono ligaturized solarized nerd. You know what I'm saying? Commit mono nerd font. That's too long again. Commit Mono nerd font. That kind of worked. Let me try something. Let me break this shit so that, okay. Yeah, it worked. Now, 1 second. Now, right off the bat, it looks very similar to Ubuntu Mono. This live stream is about reviewing fonts from now on. We're not doing terminal development, we're just doing font reviews, okay? I'm gonna go to TUI. Well, it's not bad, by the way. Let me dox my processes so that you can get an idea of how to hack me. It's okay. I mean, it's nice, but a bit big for me. I can probably make the font size. Man, Ubuntu Mono till I die, man. Ubuntu Mono. Yeah, FC list was the command, right? I'm not a pleb. My font contains 25,000 glyphs. Print your cup server config. You wanna see my SSH key? You know, you wanna see my private SSH key? That's what I say to ladies while flirting. You know, I'm like, yo, baby, you wanna see my SSH key or something? Check this shit out. You know, that's how I get the girls, man. That's why I'm still single. It is what it is, man. It is life. Sometimes these tricks do not work on ladies, so you gotta level up your game and you'll be like, do you know that I use source code pro cascadia called nerd font mono shit nerd font solarized literaturized mono nerd? You know what I'm saying? You gotta level up that shit a bit and come with something new. Did it work? No. You can test fonts in there. So guys, FC list. Do you guys like see my fonts? I mean, I have many fonts. That's also one of the other tricks. You're like, hey baby, you wanna see my fonts? I got a lot of them. You know, I got nerd fonts. I got TTF JetBrains, Pura Sans, everything. You got this. By the way, I just got an idea. How about a command line tool, like a very simple command line tool that takes the text and just animates it? How about that? I think it's terminal effects thingy. I think this is able to do that. Terminal text effects. Wait, is this packaged? Terminal text effects. I should probably rename the stream because I'm not really delivering the promise here. I'm just chilling. I think this was able to do what I just said. Terminal. Wait. The hell? Is this a library? Your terminal text effects. It's in the AUR. Let's build it. The Arch Witcher School of Latest Pickup Lines. Yeah. I related once a real fonts game. Let's build this. I'm just checking my emails to see if that was cringe, right? I'm just checking my emails to see if there's anything that I want to work on right now. Probably not, but just making sure. Do you guys wanna see me work on terminal effects and like Rust stuff, or should we just take a look at fonts or just freestyle it? What do you want? Tell me. Is Paro the APT of Arch Linux? So Paro is for installing stuff from the AUR, and apt of Arch is pacman. And pacman, so I'm 23 years old, and recently I realized pacman stands for package manager. Did you guys know that? I was always like, it's pacman because I don't know, it's pacman, but it actually stands for package manager. Like pack and man, you know. Rust. Okay, let's take a look at some Rust stuff then. My brain starts to slow down at this hour, but I'm gonna do my best for you. I'm gonna do my best for you, for the sake of Ratatouille, for the sake of rats. But before that, I wanna terminal. Okay. DTE. Okay, so what I want to show you is how I get the ladies. So here's what I do. Okay, so I do FC list and then DTE slide and merge. Look at this. Come on, you should work. Come on. Didn't work. It didn't work. L's in the chat, guys. L's in the chat. It didn't work. It didn't work because it's Python. I know. Okay, why didn't it work? How about this command? Is it working? Screen fetch. Neo fetch. Oh shit, it's working. No, it's not. I mean, it's super broken. How about something like head something, and then yeah, okay, that's better. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so here's a little trick, guys. Whenever you go somewhere, you run this command, and you just watch everybody looking at your terminal. Wait a second, I'm gonna run this command. Okay, no, wait, it should be 100, no, maybe 50. You know, you just flex in the fonts, you know. You're like, did you know that I'm using these fonts and you can see them on my terminal right now, you know. Maybe this was a bit slow, so maybe try something else. Synth grid. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. That's good. Looks like it's sanitized the color construct closing. Yeah, it's just taking the ANSI stuff. Go and sleep, bro. Good night, man. Came on, see you around. YZmon, love you, man. Flip tight. What else? VHS tape. Let's try this one. Why is it taking forever? Oh. Okay, this is not that good. How about orbiting volley? Oh, that's better. Now we're talking, man. You know, you just gotta flex that shit. You gotta like show the ladies that what you can do in the terminal. You know, you gotta do this shit. That was nice to watch. I'm just kind of hypnotized by it, if you can't already tell. Bouncy balls. No pun intended here. What is FC list? I'm a Debian guy. Shout out to my Debian homies. FC list is just listing the fonts in the system, and I'm taking like 50 fonts and then I'm piping them to some shit called TTE, and just doing these stuff basically. Are you a Debian like, what do you mean Debian guy? Are you like packaging for it, or like just a user, or like developer? Because I have so much respect for Debian people. Let's see if rain works. It's super fun to watch. Okay, I'm thinking what else we can do, actually. The only bad part about this little command line tool is that it's written in Python, so, you know. Alright, so is it using textual? No, it's just raw implementation. Always use Debian for my personal machines, but my job forces me to use Fedora on my work laptop. Some people have issues like, you know, their company give them Mac and then they have to use Mac OS. But you have a different problem here, which I think it's a sweet problem. Like, it's a good problem. Just, it's good, man. Don't complain. It's fine. At least it's not Mac or anything. But Fedora, like, okay, but it's better than Mac, you know, Linux. EA wants us playing their 4K RTX enabled bollocks. What TUI is hiding wonders. When do we get like a full-fledged terminal game with like animations and everything on Steam, and then gotta make some money from it? What am I gonna do? Now it's been an hour and we can finally get to the thing that we want to do in the stream. Of course, I'm using the time so wisely. That's why we took an hour on some bullshit, but no, not really bullshit. It was fun. It was good. Oh yeah, infinitely better than the Mac I had to use before. If your company gives you Mac, look for... Okay, I'm not gonna give you some Andrew Tate advice, but look for a better company. Or or just quit. I don't know. That was just Andrew Tate shit. But yeah, Mac is not pleasant, dude. Alright, so here's the thing. There's one app called KTY, terminal for Kubernetes, and they have a very nice animation in their TUI. I want to show it to you, but I cannot. Where can I get that? Oh, I think it was here. Where is it? Where is it, dude? Where is it? Okay, here it is. What should you do about PRs hanging for months or years? I just forget about them and move on. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. Or no, not really. That was a joke, but they just live at the bottom of my emails for some time, and then one day I just go to them and then I'll be like, let's not do this, or just say something, just close. No, sometimes I do that, but sometimes I really just go back to issues or PRs from years ago, and I really work on them. You can see one example. For some reason I just want to just prove that I work on old stuff. So I maintained this 6L fork for Rust, and then there was one issue from a year ago or something, and I was gone for a year, and then I just came back and boom, I got a new release with the feature implemented. You gotta sometimes shock the people, you know, make the comeback. How long have you been using Rust? 4 years or 5 years? 5 years. Started in 2019. So yeah, here's the thing that I want to make. So this is a TUI, right? And they have this very cool, I don't know how they make this thing, very cool like switch animation. I want to make this happen. So I asked the guy here last week. You know, I was busy, so it took a week to actually get to this, but it's fine. We're here now. It's not about the time that it took, it's about the result. So the result is we're here, so it's good. And it's open source, so yeah, whatever. So I asked how does this thing happen, and then he gave me an answer. I haven't read it, so we're gonna read it together. Okay. Having to access the previous buffer of the frame. So let me pull up the code. TUI. So here's the effects. It's in FXRS. They use Bone, by the way. That's cool. Let's see what the effect is. It's at line 7. There's no line 70 anymore. But okay, I guess they mean this file. So animated effect is, what is effect? Oh, look at tachyon effects. They have a box widget. Use the previous as a source and then current buffer as a destination. Okay, interesting. Horizontal wipe. That's I didn't get it fully, but let's read on. I save off the previous buffer and do a copy from a sub view of that over the new buffer using ND array. ND array. That sounds super hacky. One is infecting the universe just like I planned. Nice, bro. Keep it up. When are you adding the backdoor, by the way? Let's talk about it. If you want to collab on a backdoor, I'm happy to collab, by the way. Yeah, I'm working on a stream. Let's do some backdoor stuff, dude. It's time. 4K monitor. Man, I'm broke. I'm broke. Sponsor me on GitHub, please. Send me $5 so that I can maybe increase the quality, please. There's probably something fun that could be used more generally here with transitions and being able to replace parts of the new buffer with an old one conditionally. Here's where I'm actually using it. That whole thing is likely 10x more complicated than it needs to be, but I was learning as I went. So, okay, it's in tabs. How do you use it again? Okay. Look for effects. Yeah, it's super complicated, like maybe someday I'll go do some work. Have a nice stream. Thank you, man. Take care. Have fun. Good luck with your adventures. I'll be keeping an eye on it. Man, this is so complicated for some reason. The view is probably the most interesting piece of all that. Let's see what view is. Man, this is another level. I got a Z index on every widget and then do layered rendering. Then let's do some of the interesting parts of the effects. I'm on the description chat about it all. I'm just gonna delete this, that's fine. Man, this is super interesting, but also like very complicated. But if I wanted to summarize this a bit, I would probably say that they have first of all like a effects module where they have a animated struct, and they use the animated struct to animate a widget. It takes a widget, you know, and then they just pass it around. And hold on. Yeah. But yeah, they just passed it around and then call the animate method on it. But the problem is, or not the problem, but the complexity comes from the layering in this thing, and like these and the array thing. I don't really get why they use it. Because I mean, I don't know, but it looks cool at the end of the day. I don't know if it's really hard, like it's really easy to integrate it in other apps. But yeah, also I want to, maybe I'm not really seeing the magic here, so I want to build the documentation and take a look. Oh, okay, it's gonna take some time. Take a look at the render documentation to see maybe something else in there. But overall, it's quite complex, and it's very tightly coupled with their implementation. They have like a box widget, and this is actually in a widget, but I'm not sure if I can adopt this somehow. Shader. So I don't want to use Bone here because I don't know. But the rest should be kind of doable. This placement thing, I'm not sure about placement. So Bone is a builder generator, and they just use it for generating builder for the functions. If you want to take a look at it, it's here. You know, when you just put builder in something, and then it generates some functions on this thing, and then you can just call them. So yeah, they use that here, but if I want to adopt this, I would probably not use it. But let's see. So animate. Well, I can understand that. I can understand why they use layering here, but that's the complex part about it. Because if I want to, let's say I just want to, you know, use this for a list. I don't really need any other parts. Just want to use it for a list. And hold on, maybe I should think about where I want to use this. So I have this tool, theater, and it's for playing some ANSI escape code files, ANSI files that have some animations, right? For example, I don't know. For example, this one. And I want to actually like add these animations to here, but I'm thinking where exactly, like, because if I add them to here, how would that look like? Then do you use another builder or implement it yourself? You can just put the annotation on functions or structs and it generates the builders for you. So that's spawn. Kind of a flashbangy. Seamus the fish. So where can I add the animations here? I don't think there's any place for it. I was initially thinking to add them at the beginning of the animation, but I mean the animations are already cool. But we can like try at least. We can try at least without all the layering and without all the other stuff here. I can at least like try tachyon effects, you know. So let's give it a try actually. I'm gonna pull up the code. So okay, tachyon effects. Okay, let's add tachyon effects. Okay, I couldn't type that in correctly. You want the animation from them in your code? Yeah, basically. I want to show off in this app. Like I want to show off all the animation capabilities of the terminal. For example, you didn't see it just now, but I added a new feature where the list is actually like fading. Like you can see it, you know, when I scroll down, it's like this now. It's not, I don't think I released this one. Maybe did I release it? I don't know. So I added this little thing over here to make it look cool. I want to add another animation to the animations so that animations are animated before they start. So I want to basically do that, but let's see. I want to grab a minimal example from this library. Okay, minimal. So if I remember correctly, it was super easy to use it, but let's see. So first of all, we gotta define some effects. I'm just gonna copy something. Also, I don't think I have the latest main, so maybe it's a good idea to pull the changes from their remote stream. Okay, it's up to date. Okay, so let's actually try to add this. So right now, when I want to render an animation, I just call the draw method here. And okay, let me check. Effect is rendered. Effect is running. Alright, so I need to I need to define an effect first. Let me do that. Terminal effect and effect. And let's use the thing from the example, or maybe this one. I'm not sure what this is, so we're gonna see it. So we're gonna define an effect timer, or is this? No, it's defined. So gonna copy that over here. Probably will complain about some missing imports. Alright, import those stuff. It's fine. Adding more bloat to my app. As always, allow this. Alright, interpolation. I'm gonna drink water. So I'm gonna just fix my hoodie. Hold on. Watching myself. Okay. And basically what we want to do is at some point we want to render the animation, right? So I'm just gonna render it here for fun. Let's see how we need to render it actually. So we just get a self effect not running. If it's not running, just render it on animation area. No method running? What do you mean? I need to import something, right? Yep. And also I need to import another thing. Alright, so now... Okay, it's expected what? What you mean, dude? Expected duration, but got a different duration. Okay, for some reason they are using their own duration type, which I don't know why, but let's import their duration instead and change that. Import more stuff. Yeah, I mean, that's the life. What do you want, bro? Just render this thing. Come on. Alright, now it's good. Let's try it. That's why the V sunset prelude in order to, yeah. Alright, so when I press enter, nothing happens. Cool. Why? What happened there? Did I just do something wrong? It's kind of hard to get these animations right for some reason. I added the minimal example to that project, by the way. I contributed that code and it was a bit hard to figure out which animation to use and so on. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna copy stuff from here actually. Maybe I can just copy this thing and see if it works, because I didn't see anything happening there. Also, they have like a lot of types that have the same name as TUI types, so you gotta import them with a different name. Kind of a pain, but it's fine. Nothing happens there and there's an error, yeah. So I changed it. The direction cannot... What do you mean, dude? Come on, just fix fixing imports. Is there a shortcut, like a Rust analyzer shortcut for importing everything? Like importing, like fixing those errors. Okay, it's not rendering, dude. You know what, I'm just gonna render it at all times. I don't care if it's running or not. I'm just gonna render it, dude. Render it endlessly. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Why? Animation area, so that's probably why. Right, let's see now. That will work. Okay, this is actually this thing might be a good candidate for testing the animations because it's not really animated, just some text. So I'm gonna use that one from now on. You know, this is a good candidate. So let's see. What did I miss? Did I miss something here? Am I not doing this right? There should be a code action for imports. Yeah, I mean, there is, but it's just like importing. I wanted to like fix the imports automatically, like every import. Just use the like the first option or something. Maybe I'm asking for too much. So let's see, what did I do wrong here? So we have a effect. Let's actually just copy this one over because it's fine. Let's see if it's gonna work. Just copy the same effect from the example. Dude, why is it not rendering him? Like, you just have what do I need to do? Hold on. So in this code, it first clears the area and what? Okay, I didn't get it. Do I need to clear the area? No, it shouldn't be needed. Like, doesn't make sense. Okay, let's clear the area, whatever. What if you import bone? I don't think that's related because I'm not depending anything from the other project. I just use a library called Tachyon effects, which is like the same library that project uses. But there's nothing bone related going on here, I guess. You're about to see. But it's not rendering, dude. Like, I'm not gonna actually, hold on. I think I got it. I need to first render the widget and then render the effect on top of that, maybe. Maybe that's why it was not. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking, dude. Now it's working. Okay. Let's see. I just changed the order. So okay, now it's doing something. Okay, the last thing that you saw there, it was, I think, this effect. We can pretty much use that one. Come on, do something. Is it not looped or is it just one-time thing? It's a sequence. It's actually, I want this thing to be repeated. Or maybe just increase the timer a bit. And also I wanted to render it on here. So something like something like this maybe. And render it if it's not already rendered. I mean, I'm talking about the animation. I feel like there are like a lot of terms here. One of them is animation, the other one's effect, and they're like very similar. So animation is the one that I'm like reading from the file and then render it on the screen, and the effect is just the effect that I'm currently trying to add to the animation. So just making that clear. It is just too fast or something is wrong. Let me actually make it repeated so that we see what's going on there. Okay, how do I do this? Repeat, effect, and repeat mode. Repeat mode. What are the options? Repeat mode forever. Okay, repeat mode forever. Let's repeat it forever. Why the hell it's not importing it? So I'm gonna check repeat mode. Repeat mode. There's no repeat mode. It's not exported. What the hell? How am I supposed to run this then? Oh, do I just call repeating instead? Okay, that also works. Whatever. Okay, now what's wrong? What's wrong now? Oh, it's already run that. Okay, got it. So that animation is like, there's no animation, it's just a file. Like, it's just something still, so it's not really, it just takes like 1 millisecond probably, and then we don't see it's happening after that. But now, man, why did I break this? Like, it was working. Okay, I just break this. Let me just undo everything, dude. Let me just undo everything. God damn it. I'm just gonna undo everything. Oh man. Sometimes it happens. It's fine. It's programming. So I don't want this sweeping thingy. I just want the fade in thing. Coalesce. Sweep in. Or maybe glitch. Glitch is also another good one. I don't think I understand what happens in this effect sequence. coalesce. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Is it like, you know, it's just read the answer from the dude again. I can check it out, but I feel like I'm very close. So I kind of see it happening, but it's too instant. Maybe you ever something, yeah, maybe. I feel like I'm very close. So 3 seconds. Okay, so it works. Let me try to move stuff around a bit and make it more clean. So this should be rendered if effect is running, or maybe I can do some like animation is. Do we have like a function that says if it's finished? Because I really need that right now. Finished. Breeze running. Shader running. So shader running. Timer, reverse, reset. Oh, reset is useful. So I need to I basically need to render this thing after I start the animation. So after I press enter, I should render the effect. So how can I do this? Okay, self animation is rendered now. Okay, how do I actually check that self animation? Sadly, I have zero knowledge about Rust. We are all here to learn about Rust, bro. It's fine. I'm gonna show you some cool stuff so that you can get motivated, and then tomorrow you can rewrite the whole Alacrity or some terminal or some big project. It's fine. This is what happens. I mean, first day I started learning Rust. Second day I was already like writing a bootloader for my system. So it is how it works, dude. So learning curve is a bit like high, but also like your brain is like expanding exponentially. So you're like learning hard, like difficult shit, but you're also at the same time your brain is like super big, that some people actually go through some surgeries to like expand their skull so that their brain is like contained within their skull, you know. It's just how Rust works, like, to be honest, you know. I mean, Transhistoric in the chat, like he went through a lot of surgeries because he's doing some packaging at the side, you know. It's like doing Rust and Zig, and then everything is like he has just a huge brain at this point. I mean, I saw him one time, I guess. I mean, I couldn't see him because his webcam was just not really showing everything. Just, you know, I just saw a part of his head. It was just so huge. Like, I was so impressed by it. And dude, like, what kind of a brain was that, man? What kind of a head was that? Was huge. Like, wow. Anyways. What would you say if I want to start learning? Guess what's the most important, because Zig is not that hard. I'm literally the guy from the meme sitting on his own brain. Yeah, I mean, it was literally like I was talking to his brain like on this call. Like I was not able to communicate with him because he's just on a different realm of intelligence. You know, it just, I don't know, like I can't really comprehend it. Can't really like fathom that shit, you know. It's like super fucking different. Like I don't know, man. I don't know why he's watching the stream. Like we are just peasants for him, you know. Just another level. If I want to know what's the most important, what do you mean most important? Like, do you mean as concepts, or do you want some tips, or what do you? I mean, Transistor probably can just show you some tips because he's just super smart. So you know. Galaxy brain. Bro, try universe engulfing black hole brain. Not a level, like I told you. Okay, self effect reset. I think this will work. So every time I start the animation, I want to reset the effect so I can see it again. Smart, you know, using that brain. Exactly, that's kind of working. No, not really. It's actually working. Like, it's super slow though. I wanna speed this up a bit. Okay, so let's speed this up and see how it looks like now. Okay, you know what? I mean, I can't really tell if I'm really like, if I really did something, because it was already cool and I just added a new effect, but the effect is not super visible. So I want to actually do something else here. Maybe I can bring back the sweep animation, play around a bit and see if it's gonna look cooler. Okay, I'm gonna remove the ping pong. Change the direction to top, up to down. Change the color to reset. And see if it's gonna look better. No, it's like I'm not sure, man. Let's try to render this one, for example. Just too fast, like this goes like, why is it so fast? Okay, let's remove the sweep and let's try something else. What do we have? Or I don't know, maybe we can just leave it as is. I never watched this one, by the way. It looks super sad. Castle. So let me show you before and after. So castle is a good one. Castle VT. So before it was castle VT. Typo. So it was just this, right? Before it was just directly rendering it, but now it's more like this. But for some reason they are so fast, like why? Let's let me reduce the FPS. No, not this one. Okay, sorry. You didn't see anything. But there are only some slow. Yeah, I mean, FPS is not really FPS. I just read lines from a file, and then I just render them. So I don't know. Like there isn't a good way of doing this. What I can do is I kind of like add a parameter where you can change the stream buffer size or something, but then it's not really FPS. It's just buffer size. But I don't want to like spend so much time on this. It was supposed to be a demo, so yeah, it works. Alright, so now we can render animations here. It's like I just added a very simple animation. It looks kind of okay. Like you can just see it on some stuff. Castle one was a good example, for example. You know. So yeah, it's a good start. I will keep working on this, and when I get a response from this guy, I will actually, like, I want to talk to him on Discord someday, and then try to understand his solution a bit better, and then maybe we can have, you know, like a simpler thing implemented for TUI apps. But for now, yeah, looks cool. So I'm gonna style and just style UI something, I don't know, add shade, no, add. Can remove the sequence, by the way. I don't think I need to add a sequence. Let me try this again. Yeah, it still works. So style UI, add a simple shader effect. Oh, come on. Okay, push. I'm not sure if I released a new version of this. Yeah, I did. Okay. Well, I can release a new version of this maybe later. Right now it's fine. It can just stay there. Alright, yeah, that was basically what I want to check out in the stream. Not sure if I have anything else for today. And it's been 1.5 hours, or closing to, it's getting close to 2 hours. I don't know if do you guys want me to check out something else, or should we wrap this up? Actually, I felt like checking out the song that I made the other day on stream. So I'm actually gonna do that. How about fonts? How about them? What happened with fonts? I mean, I don't want to change my font today. Maybe we can continue on that later. For now, I just want to make some music and then go to bed. Alright guys, so the other day I made a song on stream. It's a masterpiece, I know. I'm gonna boost the output a bit so that you can hear it better. So this is the song. Right off the bat, it's awesome. I don't know which genre is this. It's just super random, but well, let's make something like this again, okay? Maybe something else, something better. I'm gonna give like 10 minutes to myself for this. So let's just kick this shit off, all right? BPM 175, 170. Little bit too slow. Okay. 170 is good now. It's fine, I think. Wait, that was a strong snare. I wanna find I'm gonna get copyrighted because of that. Okay, maybe I can sample this. I don't know. Should I give it a go? No. No, I'm not gonna sample anything. I'm just gonna keep it raw. You wanna start with the bass? Alright. Let's start with the bass. Or maybe we can just... I don't know what to do. Start with the bass. That sounds sexy, bro. Let's go with this one. Sausage. It's called Sausage 808. Alright, Sausage. Worst in German. Are you German, by the way? Which part of Germany? Feel free to dox yourself in the chat. This is so like... This sounds so filthy, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna make it... But I'm kind of enjoying it, so I'm gonna go with this bass. One note. We don't need multiple notes. One note isn't enough for me. Hold on. My output is a bit weird. Okay, now it's fixed. Notes are for un-Linux waved people. Exactly, bro. We don't need notes. We just gonna freestyle it. Just gonna freestyle it. Like no music theory or nothing. We don't need that. All right. I'm just putting things random here. Just fully random, you know? And we don't need actually a melody. You can just put the bass in high notes and that's your melody. Just like a glitch, you know? I cannot really find the exact place to put this. Alright guys. And also I can tweak these a bit. So they are not like super loud. Like what else? What else? What else? Alright, this is good. But you know what? We're gonna put like hell lot of reverb on this, so it's not. It's just gonna be like super reverby because I just felt like it. There are no rules, right? So we're gonna. Okay, where's my reverb? Where's my reverb? Where's my freaking reverb? Okay, reverb. Put like hell lot of reverb on that shit, and you got like. And also maybe delay. And I'm gonna use sword like as a snare, because who cares, bro? No, it sounds super bad. That was nice. I don't like the triangle. Okay, maybe not these ones. I think I have to download now also a DJ music program. Do you like this? I'm not sure what I'm doing right now, dude, to be honest. I don't know, guys. Freestyle rap about Arsenals. I'm just adding more stuff to it, like, well, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just adding like perks. But one thing missing. When the feels a bit too tweety for me. Is it good or bad? Should I remove it? Let me add this thing. I don't care. I'm just gonna look at this pattern. Like, it's song. Very weird song, but I want to add a guitar to it, because why not? I don't know. I'm kind of bored. I got bored from this, guys. It was a good ride, but I don't know. Alright guys, anyways, I'm just gonna save this thing. Wendy. Is there any other stuff that I can work on actually? Do you guys wanna see my raw vocals? Like me singing or something? Do you guys wanna see that? Or not? Okay, I think I have some files that have some vocals in there. Give me a second. I think this one has some vocals. It basically stole the beat, but I didn't make the beat. I think I mixed this one here.
You know I get problems of a rockstar. Blood in my Lambo, can I jump start? Credit card maxed out, all my bitches wear makeup. They have depression in the system. You know I get problems of a rockstar. Blood in my Lambo, can I jump start?
There isn't much actually. Like, my presets are super simple. Like,
Depression in the system. Meant to break it down ever since I'm wrecked up. Sipping from a double cup. Like
I just you know, record this like very clean, and then I like add some effects. But the effects presets are super simple.
Certified, the Fanta. Mind over matter, it is all a setup. Life is world.
I just have like some, I think, delay, and then like, no, I just compress it, then EQ it, and then add some effects, and that's it.
Plus when you don't wanna wake up, take the shot, know your spot, you should think about. They be trying to drag you down, but they cannot. You change, you don't.
Like, it's super simple. I don't know, I should probably learn more about vocal mixing. Another album banger, of course. Exactly. There are actually other stuff here that I'm not sure if I should share, but fuck it. This one is, I think, not released.
Trust nobody. They will tell me they love me, they tryna skip some shit behind me. Give it a smoke, I'm Phoenix, where they got it, I trust nobody. I said that everyone is leaving, bitch, you can watch me on a TV podcast, piss up by some CDs, your bitches are frisbee, yeah. Frisbee, yeah. Your bitches are frisbee, she just comes and goes, frisbee, yeah. Frisbee, yeah. Your bitches are frisbee, she just comes and goes.
The funny thing is I just literally use the frisbee sound effect here. Yeah, exclusive preview.
I've been living so deeper than your fucking rape. Body that bitch. I've never been the same. When you look into my eyes, demons come out of the frame. This my typical day. Shooting at your blood, make it red. I'ma switch the lane. I don't just the friend.
This is more like Freddy Dread style. I'm not sure if you guys know him. Basically, like, stole his style a bit and then mixed it, whatever. But this one is good, guys. Stay tuned. Like, this one is like another banger. The bass is killing my ears, dude. Like, and the bird sound. Okay, I'm gonna actually turn this off a bit. Can you shut up? Thank you. So there's one bass here. Which one is it, dude? It's just so loud. so weird. There's a kick somewhere. Where's the kick? I don't know. See the kick. Okay. Wait, if you think that bass was bad, wait until you hear this one over here. Okay, that was weird. What else do I have? 14. What is 14? Okay, I remember this was not good. What else do I have here? I think I heard my hard drive dying. I don't know. I don't think I have anything interesting. I have a very nice mix somewhere, but not on this hard drive. Yo, what's going on, Ferme? What's up? We're just making music, chilling. I was about to go, but then I decided to make music, and then I'm still streaming. Should I call the ambulance? Not yet, bro. I don't know, man. I had one file, but I cannot really find it. Can't really find it. It was, I think. What was it called?
Really don't have time for a mix. I just wanna say some things and just step on. Really need to sleep. I don't want to start the scene. If you follow me, just know that you're so lucky. Ay. Really don't have time for a mix. I just wanna say some things and just step on. Really need to sleep. I don't want to start the scene. If you follow me, just know that you're so lucky. Ay. Okay, first off, I don't get it. We talk every day, but you still don't.
These songs make me feel weird, man, because I made these songs in a very, like, I was in a different mindset while I was making these songs. I was kind of in a different mental state. I don't use drugs, but guys, I don't, no drugs, okay? I'm not saying I was using drugs or anything. I don't do that, but like, you know, mentally I was different. It was just, I don't know, 5 months ago, 3 months ago, 4 months, I don't know. Yeah, 3 a.m. kind of mindset, exactly. Thank you for reading my mind. We're gonna get copyrighted because of this. I kind of like this a lot because it feels so deep because of, you know, these stuff. I actually like took some time and like find some notes for this. I kind of appreciate my own effort here. I don't know, I like the simplicity of this track. There isn't much in this. It's just very simple, very nice. What else do I have to show? Not much actually, like for some reason I don't really see my recent projects. What the hell is this file explorer, dude? Weird ass file explorer. This one was kind of good. Well, that's not the final version actually, it's a different version. This one was, I guess, the final version. You know, the funny thing is I literally put the, like, I recorded the plane announcements, I put them in the song. Like, it's literally recorded, like, you can see the date and everything.
Our flight time will be approximately 50 minutes cruise altitude 27,000 feet. We expect more flights again during cruise. Have a nice flight.
Generic trap type beat. I really like the balance between bass and like kicks and the overall arrangement of this though. It sounds really good, I think. And this sound effect, I don't know which one it is, but I think this one? No. This one? No. Yeah, this is so sick. Like, look at this one. Like, take a listen. Alright, it's time. It's time for the Bantan mix, guys. I made a remix of Bantan. For real. Wait, where is it? This is not it. Hold on, let me find it. Was it this one? No. Where's my mix? I really want to show this one to you. Can't really find it though. Alright, maybe I can find it from this little list. No, it's not here. I want to find my Bantan mix. I have also like techno stuff too. Let me show you actually the techno stuff first. Or just never mind, I'm gonna show you later. Like, I'm super sleepy right now. But I can at least show you the techno. You know, it's just techno, acid, trance. Actually, there are like random speeches here. Not in this one though. I think it was in this one. Maybe I should go back to making techno music, man.
İster kahvaltı, ister öğle yemeği,
일한 우스터.
Just goes like that, dude.
You know it's gold shit.
That was kind of cool though. I really like the transition, and there's like a little glitch there. I think it was nice. You know, when I listen to these, I kind of want to make techno again, but
You know it's gold shit.
and then it goes like that, and then it ends at some point. But making techno is just taking one loop and then looping it. Sorry to reveal the secret, but you just gotta change some things sometimes, but it's usually just looping.
Başkent Ankara,
This is my first ever techno track.
Başkent Ankara, Türkiye'nin kalbi. Kalbe en yakın ilçelerden biri ise Gölbaşı, Ankara'nın sahili. Hafta sonu piknik yapmak için ideal bir yer. Hem göl manzarası, hem de gürültüden uzak oluşuyla büyük bir şehirde olduğumuzu
Colombia. Gold shit, suck it, fools.
What? Okay, what's the loop here? Right. I basically took this loop and I kind of added an effect to it. And also there's like a helicopter sound. That's literally just a helicopter. And what I do with the acid thing is I just I guess it's just one note again. No, not this one, but this one is just one note as always, and then I just change some parameter, and then that's it. Super simple. Sounds like a frog dying. Kind of makes me sad, but people dancing to it, I guess, so kind of cruel. All right. So yeah, I think I'm done, guys. I'm like super tired. Every time I'm streaming, I want to like end it early, but these days for some reason I just feel like streaming for so long, like 2 hours or something. I'm not sure if it's healthy. I literally play these notes for some reason. Like, why did I spend so much time? Sounds very bad though. What's alien? File does not exist. Do you know what that is, by the way? Do you know this sound? Does anyone know this sound? It's from Transformers, from cartoons, I guess. It's like the transformation sound effect. I don't know why I put that thing there. So yeah. The Transformers. This week, I think the new Transformer movie will come out. What do you mean? Are you for real? Are you kidding me? Hold on, I need to check that. Transformers. Is that the one with the freaking monkeys? No. Dinosaurs? Is that the one? Oh man, this looks like shit. This looks like shit. Sorry. Transformers 1. This is... Bro, this is shitty. Is this an animation or something? Nah, bro, nah. Pass. Pass. No. No. Trailer. Can we watch this trailer here? Fuck the copyright. Okay, Transformers 1 official trailer 2. Let's watch it. It's 2 minutes. That's too long. I mean, I watch TikTok. I have 10 seconds. Oh shit. I have 10 seconds of attention.
For thousands of years, we have been at war. But before, we were enemies. We were like brothers. You ready?
I really like the voice acting. It's like you know, they just get really close to the microphone, so you can hear their freaking. Okay, anyways.
Always ready. Let's punch in.
Nah, bro, this is not. No.
Nothing scary about that.
We can transform now.
How do we use these things?
That's no. No, I'm not watching this in the
Transform
movies.
and roll out. I want to help build a better world.
Like you said, we can be so much more.
Maybe it's just me, but he's different.
Yeah, no, I picked up on that.
No. Is that wait, I kind of know that
He's
voice.
different.
Yeah, no, I picked up on that.
Why everyone is sounding like Corpse? You guys know Corpse?
Picked up on that too.
Future together.
I don't think so.
So deep. No, bro, I'll pass. That's not for me. The real Transformers, which I have like literally freaking Optimus Prime and Starscream right there. The figures. I have two Starscreams. This one has tattoos on it, and this is transformed one. This is the jet. You might be asking like, why do I have two? Because this one has tattoos, man. That's why they're exactly the same set, but I bought two of them because this one. I'm just a geek. You know what? The real Transformers one is this one, okay? Real Transformers one is this one. I mean, just compare the quality in this one with the animation.
Got a little
So
surprise for you, son.
this is the real one.
No! It's my car!
Nah. Nah.
We're facing war against a... It's a robot. You know, like a super advanced robot. It's probably Japanese.
Hell yeah, man.
No.
This is the real Transformers. Linkin Park as trailer soundtrack. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. And did you guys see the new Linkin Park songs? How about, what do you guys think of that? What was it? Linkin Park. Something with the crown. Heavy is the crown. This one is okay. This one is okay.
But inside I know it's gonna be the day.
This stream is gonna be copyrighted to hell.
Watch it all falling apart like this.
This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd. Fire in the sunrise. Ashes raining.
The only problem that I have with this is she's just screaming. I'm not complaining, but you know.
It keeps bleeding out. This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd.
This is like too much screaming. Like I said, I'm not complaining, but maybe like she can use like a different type of vocal, not just screaming, but like also a bit more soft. Because I'm really used to Chester's soft singing plus screaming, and in these type of songs, Chester usually he didn't like scream a lot. Like he was using like a soft voice, and then there's like a transition to a screaming part. Like what I want to show what I mean. Like I think it, or maybe it's about the arrangement of the song. I'm not sure, but you know, after some point I feel like she's just screaming just to prove herself to the fans, basically. It's like you know, if they were just, you know, change the name of the band, I'm like super okay with that, by the way. I would listen to this, but now it's Linkin Park. We have like we are used to some kind of style, and I like I look for that basically. So yeah, it's hard for her. There are like a lot of expectation. I wish they just went with a different name, to be honest. That would be just that would be better. Because now it's like the, you know, you're just trying to like fill the Chester's place somehow. I mean, it's not gonna happen, but she's trying. The song is good though, like it's good. Especially this part is really good. I mean, screaming is on point.
This is what you asked for. This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd. Fire in the sunrise. Ashes raining down. Try to hold it in, but it keeps bleeding out. This is what you asked for.
But I mean, it's not faint, bro. Let's not kid ourselves, okay? It's not faint. Also, one other thing that I realized, just real quick, I realized, you know, in these other Linkin Park songs, they have these like scratching and like DJ stuff happening. I haven't seen the same kind of style in the new songs, and I'm a bit disappointed because I mean, I don't know. I look for some kind of like I don't know, these kind of elements as well, like the scratch and like different samples, like different stuff, like, and like a bit of a different like drum styles. Like this one is, for example, it has like, I think very good, like very what do I call it? I think when you hear this type of drumming, you would probably guess that it's Linkin Park. I'm not sure what the thing is called, but I can like hear it, and it's like the same type of drums in other songs as well.
A little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. What I want you to.
It's like also the vocals are sometimes a bit glitchy. I don't know if you guys realized that before, but these parts that I know that like I can feel that they are like heavily processed, and I kind of like that. I mean, there are like different layers to it, and then some of the parts are being chopped up, and then the transitions are, you know, a bit more vivid and so on.
See these scars. What I want you to want, what I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. So let go, watching you turn your back like you.
Like these samples, these synths or whatever those are called, they don't exist in new songs for some reason. Like I don't know. And also, one last thing, and then I'm gonna go. I uploaded a faint remix to YouTube, which has like 50k views, I think, somewhere. Where's my remix, dude? I'm trying to find my own remix. Enhanced. Yeah, this one, this is me. So the description is basically, I downloaded this version of Faint, and then I couldn't find it anywhere on the internet, so I just uploaded, and like 60k people watched it. It's a really good remix. So. Don't stalk my account, okay? I have very weird videos on this account. Super weird stuff.
A little bit of loneliness, a little bit of disregard, handful of complaints, but I can't help the fact that everyone can see these scars. What I want you to want, I want you to feel, but it's like no matter what I do, I can't convince you to just believe this is real. Let go, watching you turn back like you always do. Face away and pretend that I'm not, but I'll push you wrong.
Anyways, guys, I think it's time that I go now. It's been a pleasure. I don't know what we have accomplished today. I don't know if you changed the world or something. Probably not, but it's fine. That was not the objective. Anyways. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. I'll try my best, but I will be at Euros next week, so I'm trying to stream more frequently this week and also in the weekend. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, everybody, and I see you on the next one. Thanks for bearing with me, handy transistoric. You guys are awesome, as always. And thanks to everyone else who joined. It was such a wild stream. I wanted to code something, but then, you know, the last thing that I remember, I was looking into Transformers trailer. So yeah, good night, everybody. Basically, I'm out. I should change that text too. It says starting shortly. It should be ending shortly because it's ending now. But I'm too lazy. It's been the same for some time. I'm gonna change it later. Anyways, goodbye. Oh man, this stream is going to be copyrighted as shit. Anyways.